Hey guys, how's it going? I'm a random hashtag, and today is a great day. I've got a new game. It's called Bump da bump da bump da bump da bump da bump da dum. Yes, that is right, guys. I have Skylanders Superchargers. I will be doing a let's play on it as much as I can. The videos will be about 10 to 20 minutes long. So if you're up for a good long video, then you can watch my Let's Plays. So everyone, let's get into it. But first, we need knives. We need scissors. We need big scissors. So, this is the starter pack. Comes with Spitfire, Hot Streak, and Stealth Elf up there. Well, yeah. So, let's just get into it. Just gonna open this. Why are you not open, man? Come on, I thought we were friends. There we go. Slow. There we go. Sorry for that wait, guys. But here we have it. Here we have it. There we go. There's the game in its lovely box. There's what comes with it. The portal looks amazing. Don't know how that's going to work out. But, so, let's start off with the portal of power. So, let's take this bad boy out. Come on. Come on. Work with me. Work with me. Yes. Come out. Hold on, guys. I'll cut to you when I get this out. Okay, everyone. This is the portal. It looks amazing. It's got the Rift engine here with a trap hole for traps. I don't know how that's going to work though. So that's that. Whoa! Skylanders Battlecast. I'll have a look at that in a bit. But let's get out him, Spitfire. Woo! Look at that. That is amazing, everyone. He is a fire element, obviously. He's on his Rift engine. Oh, I love the new bases. It's so cool. Okay, now he's aside. Let's do Stealth Elf. Yes, she's out. Okay, there she is with her thorn cannon thing. I don't know what it is, but it's going to be awesome. I love the base design. That's cool. Life element. Okay, now time for the vehicle. So, vehicle. The vehicle is not coming out. Come on. Whoa, wait a minute. Oh my god. Guys, the wheels move. Yeah, that is so cool, guys. The wheels move so you can use it as an actual car. Look at that. That goes well on my carpet. Okay, set up the camera again. Right. So there's Hot Streak looking awesome. Put all these on the portal here so you could see them. There's Hot Streak, Spitfire, Stealth Elf. So there. Now, cut to you guys when I've got the other thing. Okay, now we are going to open a pack. This with the Reef Ripper, Golden Queen thing, and Deep Dive GoPro. That's it. So, let's just move these out the way. Bye. See you later. Let's get right into this. Woo! That was a good one. So, they smell better than the trap team at least. Oh! So there they are. They're beautiful. I wonder if that vehicle moves or anything. So let's get this thing off. Oh well. So let's slide these out. Let's start off with the trophy thing. Come on. It's just not coming out. There we go. There's the, I think it's like a racetrack or something. There's that. Yeah. Put it there. Let's get the pilgrim out first. Yes. There is Deep Dive Gilgrunt. Oh, yeah. Put them here. And now, last but not least, the Reef Ripper. Come on. 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 There we go. Oh, it does move! How awesome is that? The tail moves. Well, guys, there's the Reef Ripper. That is so cool. He moves his tail. So, these two make a supercharged pair up, and so do these two, which is cool. So, now, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I'm going to do gameplay next. If you did enjoy, please like, comment, share with your friends, and subscribe to become a hashtag. See ya.